excellent matchup tonight between the player and Jason Belmonte. I believe we're ready to get this thing started. A strike to start things off.
He's the greatest player on the planet right now. That's Jason Belmonte.
That's how you start. Looking to keep it going here with 2 in a row. Knocks him down for 2 in a row.
Great release. Now that's how you execute.
Trying to get a streak going here. And there's the double. Already with the double, looking for a triple.
Someone is heating up.
Oh, just sailing along right now. Now at 2 strikes in a row. Will we see 3?
We just might.
The 7-pin holds. Will not go down. Easy conversion there. Let's see what he can do here.
Oh, ringer on that 7.
Got the spare. Looking for the ham bone now.
I mean, it's starting to get hot in here.
The streak continues with 4 strikes in a row.
Call it a hambo!
The hot hand is ready to go here. You see your max scores here. Make it 5 straight.
Everything's clicking right now.
Ringer on the 10, that's not right.
Yeah, that's just dirty.
Fails to pick it up.
Big mistake there. I don't know if the release was off or what, but that had no chance.
Knocks down 9 pins there. Got it. 5 in a row and looking for more. Another strike, taking out the front 6.
Another perfect shot right there.
Will we see 7 strikes in a row?
I'm not doubting anything at this point.
The pins keep falling, 7 in a row.
Now is when you have to block everything out. A perfect game is in sight.
There's a strike. Struck in the last frame, looking for the double here. Got it! 7 in a row and looking for more. Keeps it going.
Great start to this match. Looking real good right now.
We've seen 8 strikes in a row to start. Will we see 9?
I like the odds. I'm not going to bet against it.
Our graphic here shows the potential match. He has wrapped it up with that one. Working off a double now. You get 3 strikes and you're not out. Going for the ham bone now, Randy.
Looking really good here. Nice streak going.
There's the 4-bagger. Ham bone. Ham bone has been delivered. Looking for a 5-bagger now. Really on a roll now after that one.
Yeah, this is just filthy.
Already with 5 strikes in a row. Will we see 6? Got it. Got the sixth batter.
Another perfect shot right there.
Working off 9 strikes in a row to open this match. Too early to start talking about a perfect game. Yes, now just 2 away from perfection.
Just what you want. You're on TV and the pressure is cranked up.
We're now just 2 strikes from a perfect game.
It's getting tense in here. You can cut it with a knife.
There's 11. We're 1 away now.
Last time I checked, 300s are tough to beat.
Needs 1 more strike now for a perfect game.
You just gotta tune it out and go for it.